So as you can see over here, I'm opening this Learnflix application through a progressive web access. So this application is compatible with browser as well as with the mobile apps, both for both platform, for iOS as well as for Android. Even
Okay.
if we'll have a desktop view, we can easily access the Teacher Connect feature also through the mobile web browser.
Okay.
And regarding the bandwidth, because this is the major challenge while giving this solution during the pandemic, most of the teachers are using handheld device like mobile phone or tablets. So it
Oh,
is well compatible. It works on a common 4G connection as well.
mm.
And the content part, especially the content part, when we talk about for class 6 to 10th math and science, it works smoothly. There is no hassle free. There is no time lag between the video and the voice as well.
Okay.
So last year we have launched this Learnflix for class 6 to 10 math, and now this year we have given an update to integrate the Teacher Connect, whereby teacher and student can share document to each other.
Okay.
Yes. So this is are the landing page once you'll type learnflix.in and log in with the username and password. So here in this Learnflix interface, you'll see the app menu that consists of home, teach, homework, assessment, live classes, analytics, followed by notification and profile.
Okay.
Now, here, the first part under home, you will see this is the new update where teacher can create test and assign test to their respective classes. So suppose here
Okay.
we have created a username for teacher demo T001. So this is a teacher like who's taking class 6th, and this class 6th math teacher or science teacher can create a test on a particular time and assign to the respective section 6A, 6B, 6C, and so on.
Okay.
Similarly, he can give homework in a form of objective or as well as subjective and assign to these classes. So I'll take you how this process will flow when the teacher will start with the Teacher Connect using Learnflix.
Mm.
Here, the teacher will start. I'll take an hypothetical situation like I'm a teacher of class 7 teaching science, and I'm configuring my class for the online session. So first I will go to live classes,
Oh,
and in live classes, here we have given this form, like I can create a live class for mathematics, and I will take the topic decimal. So here I will assign my class. So it's a structured format where I can actually track my upcoming classes. Here we have given all VC tools to add. If a school using their own ERP for conducting any online classes, they can select other. Suppose here I will use Zoom. I can type the schedule meeting link as per my class. Then I can set the timing. Here what I will do is, suppose I will schedule this class for tomorrow at the same time, and I will conduct, because I'm using a free version of it, if it is. So I can set it for 40 minutes like this and give the target audience. This is for 6A.
okay.
So when we'll receive the details of a student and teachers, we will do the mapping where the teacher is mapped with different section. Here,
Okay.
teacher will schedule the meeting. As you can see over here in this dashboard, the upcoming class for tomorrow is this. So if I log in, I can check my upcoming classes as well and the completed classes. So for teacher and for management, it's easy to track the classes conducted by the teacher during the pandemic, or if they are taking as a normal classes. So there is a track. Now
Okay.
I'll show you the interface. Here I have created a live classes and I'll open any student login with the different browser. Now this is one of the student login of class 6th. He can check live classes. Like today, one live classes is there that I've scheduled earlier in my previous training, and the upcoming like I've scheduled like right now for tomorrow. As you can see over here, sir, the
Yeah. Yeah.
time date 27 to 2:47 p.m.
Yeah.
Moreover, this start time will be highlighted at the exact time that I mentioned while
Okay.
configuring my live classes.
Okay.
Yes. So here, if it is a today live class, it's already over. Otherwise, I can tap on the start button and I can check. Here, I can
No.
see the upcoming classes. So from the student and also they can check their upcoming classes and the completed classes they have attended so far.
Okay.
Yes. So here the live classes is created. Now coming back to the teacher login, and I'll start teaching. as you know that we started with this class 6 to 10th math and science, we have we are trying that we will add other features so that other subject teacher can also integrate with this Learnflix app and upload all these OER or interactive open educational resources to conduct with one application only. So here I have configured this class for class 6 mathematics, and the topic I took was decimal number. So I'll go with the decimals. And this interface is well known. Like here in decimal, you'll find there are two segments. One is core and second is the library part. In core part, you have videos followed by tryouts, assessment, practice sets, test, and the chapter summary. In the next segment, in library, you will find there are questions available. So I can see sample papers that can be one-click download, NCERT solution, and even the private publisher book also available. So I can open that will run within the application. Now coming back to the core part, I'll start my teaching by taking the topic decimal, decimal, tenth and hundred. I will start with this in this video.
Let us now solve some problems on hundreds. From the given place value table, write the number in the decimal form. Here we have 4 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place, 2 in the tenths place, and 3 in the hundreds place. Therefore, the number is 40 plus 1 plus 2 over 10 plus 3 over 100, which is equal to 41.23.
So I'll pause it. If I want to make any academic intervention, I can pause and use all end notation. We have enabled the compatibility with all VC tools. If they are using their own interactive whiteboard tool, they can use if they installed in their laptop or in mobile if they're using any app. So right click is not disabled here. You can take a screen recording for pre-recorded lecture. Even if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Moreover, after completing the video, if I'll click on next, you will find each and every video linked with these tryouts. Now, these tryouts will help teacher to check the retention level of the student. Moreover, if a student is accessing the content from their end, they can also check that they have watched the video, but what they have learned, they can cross-check with these tryouts and check the answer. If they give the wrong answer, the correct answer will be highlighted with the explanation. So you will find 2 tryouts in every video. So once it is done, you will find this is the sub concept number 4 of 10th and 100. And these are already done in previous classes with tryouts. So the concept summary is given here within this application. Now this will help teacher to share the notes within the app. Instead of dictating it or sharing it through PDF, the student can open their app and access the concept summary in a very comprehensive manner. So once they are done with this, they can do the practice set as well. Even teacher wants to start the practice set. They can have 2 types, objective and subjective. In objective practice, you will find 7 objective questions for each and every concept. They'll attempt and check the answer. So this is how they will attempt the objective practice. They can do the pen and paper, and after doing the correction or doing this, they can cross check with the correct answer. So it's a kind of self-evaluation also after completing the concept. Once it is done, they can go back and attempt the subjective practice. Now, doing the subjective practice online, we have used this psychology method that is called the 7-second window to visualize. So here we have logged each and every question for 7 seconds. So they can check the question after 7 seconds, they can cross check their answer. If I'll go next. So this question is locked for 7 seconds and I can read what is the decimal form of the number 93 and 500. So I visualize this, then I will cross check it. After completing the practice set, my students are ready for the test. So here you will find there are 2 tests available, and these are the self-test from student end so that they can evaluate their progress. So in each and every test given within this app, divided into 6 types of set with 2 category of easy, medium, hard. So as per the proficiency level, teacher can impart or align that student A can go for easy test 1 and student B can go for test 3 for the medium level, or any student go for test 5. So suppose for a higher achiever, I can align test 5 for the hard level. So I'll start this test and randomly select the answer. The best part is once they will go with this self-test, it will give a complete analytics followed by the remedial plan. So let's see. There are 10 questions you will find on each and every objective test. Submit all. You can see the timer as well. So I'll submit this question. If I want to change my answer, I can go back to continue and change my answer as well. So I will submit this quiz. And here, because I've randomly selected, so I've scored 1 out of 10 with the accuracy percentage of 10. All question attempted with the average time per question. So I can review my test and check which incorrect answer I have given, and the remedial plan is mentioned in front of these incorrect question. So for teacher, it's easy to give an individual remedial plan for all the students, because once they will attempt the objective test, they can cross check, okay, these are the incorrect answer that I've given. This belongs to this concept. And in order to learn it, I can go back to the video. So this is the pedagogy that we use, named as spiral learning pedagogy, where we'll start with video and end with video. So I've started with the video, and after that tryout, then practice set, concept summary, and objective subjective practice. Now I'm giving my test. After everything, now the paperwork is start. Here we have given, after each and every test, there is a complete chapter summary also. So again, I'll go back to this and I can see in revised chapter, complete chapter notes given. So for teaching parts, class 6 to 10, the complete content is available along with this private publisher books, NCRT papers, sample papers. From teacher ends is easy to start with the content part after configuring their live classes. So I'll go back to the home page. Yes. So I've done the teaching part. Now what I will do is I will align some homework. Now, homework configuration is also important, because during the lockdown, there is no mechanism where student can submit their homework, upload their answers, and get the corrected sheet as well. But here in this application, student can upload their homework and teacher can give the result. How it works, I'll just show it to you. First step, teacher will click on this plus create homework icon. Then it will take to quiz and assignment. So I will give one a quiz homework. Select my class, subject, chapter, suppose body movement, and then I will click on next. I will give this is my homework for pandemic 1, so PD1, and duration I will set 30 minutes because I'm giving a quiz. Then I will give any instruction, attempt all question like this, and then click on next. I can take question from the existing repository, or I can add my own question. Suppose I will import from the question bank. I will select the chapter, and then I will select all types. Question I will select and apply. So it will show us the question bank here, where I can pick questions like this. Once I will done with these questions, I've selected 6 out of 13, so I'll make it 10. 9 I've selected, and one question I will add on my own. So here you can see I've added these questions. Now I will add one more question by clicking on add new question. Once I will click on add new question, you will find there is one question added where I can type. So question body I will type here with the chapter, question type. This time I will add true and false, body movement, concept, difficulty level, or I can set it as all type question. What is like this? And after that, I will give option. Okay, this is an MC, sorry, true and false. So I can give in a dichotomous form.
The spelling for vertebrate is wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just randomly typing it, sub concept. of body movement. True or false? So here you can see I select the correct option, and after that I will click on next. So once it is done with this, I can see the preview as well if I'll click on download assessment, or I can publish and map it to my class. So here I will go to download assessment, whereby I can see the PDF form and I can save it. So I will save it here, and then I will map it to my class. So here I will publish it. So once I will publish, I can map exactly that I was doing for the live classes where I will publishing it to my target audience. So you can see I have selected my class 6A, and that homework I will give for tomorrow, and it will start at morning and end after 30 minutes, because I've set the 30 minutes timing. So here I will change for 30 minutes like this. And then I can set the password also. This password I will share when I'll tell them to open this homework, and then I can directly give them the score as well after completing it. So it will show the score at 924. Like this. And so solution, I can share the solution as well. So I can set the time, solution at the same time. They can check the solution as well. Then I'll publish. So this is how I can create homework. From here, I've created a homework, and now I will take you to the student interface. They will check their homework as well. So here in upcoming, you can see there is one homework aligned for 30 April. So start review and analytics will appear once the time will start. Okay.
Okay.
So process is very simple, and it's easy for the teacher as well to do the homework and share the solution. And these all are automatic. Now, if they want, the teacher wants to give a pen and paper thing or want to share any assignment, they can go for the assignment where they can upload questions on the topic by giving an assignment name and instruction as per the school blueprint. And after that, they can choose file. So here they can choose file. I'm uploading the same paper that I've created. And then after that, I can save and publish. Similarly, the process will remain same. I can set the time for tomorrow. And then at this time, I will give one more day to cover it and set the password. So once it is done, this paper is shared with the student. So student will open under the login and check the assignment. Upcoming, I'll just refresh it and it will show like this. So here you can see the assignment also given to the student as a homework, and they can upload, and the teacher can cross check by clicking on the next option, that is analytics. In analytics, teacher can check the student attendance and the intervention, the work they have done during the online classes, attempting the assessment or assignment. So here there is a complete thing that will be taken as an attendance for the active classes. For assessment and assignment, they can cross check from here, number of question attempted, everything can be checked with the teacher login. In our next update, they can download or export this report in a form of PDF as well as Excel. Now going back to homework, teacher can create the homework. Similarly, this homework can be renamed as assessment because the process is same, only there is a label change. So what we have done is, instead of quiz, here we have given online term, and for assignment, we have given pen and paper. And rest process is same. I'll just show you the interface. Here I can select my class, subject, chapters. And you can see over here, the interface is same. Next, import from question bank that I was doing in quiz. Okay. So as you can see, the process will remain same. I can pick questions, apply to it, save these questions, and then I can publish it to my target audience. So once I will set any assessment, I can retrieve it. So online test is possible. Moreover, if a teacher is taking any other subject, so they can go back to the assessment, and instead of selecting question from the existing question bank, they can add their own question. So it will give a platform where other teachers can also create tests. So in our next batch update, you will find instead of grade 6 to 10, there will be another option where any teacher can create question and shoot it to their student with this Learnflix app. Now, after
Okay.
doing this, the notification part, because during the pandemic, we are not using Almanac, or we are sharing all this information through WhatsApp or Google Classroom or any other social media site. But here in Learnflix, this will enable teacher to have everything under one roof, where teacher can give notification not only to a complete class, but can give to the individual student as well. With this login, we have mapped the complete class, not with the student. Otherwise, here, if I select individual student, we can shoot the notice in this format. I'll just show it to for the entire section. Class 6A, add, send. You can give the heading, suppose rescheduling of the classes. Notice I'm giving message. Classes will be rescheduled as per the school guidelines. I will type here, and then I can attach document to it. I can upload the circular. Here I can attach any file, not only PDF. I can upload Word file, video, audio, any file if I want to upload, and send it. Once I will send this notification from here, student can check their notification like this rescheduling, and they can open and download the PDF. Okay, so now teacher can also share any document, and they can take homework, assignment, assessment in a form of PDF or in a form of this, instead of using Google form for creating online assessment. This can be done with the help of this Learnflix app.
Okay.
Good. So this is all we have in Learnflix. Our major upcoming is like we'll be adding other. Now there will be a download feature under analytics for teacher login, where I can export all these assessment and assignment updates instead of view. And then in teach part, you will find there will be an other tab where other teachers can also upload their interactive open education resources.
Now we are limiting this only to maths and science, no?
For the content part, yes.
For the content part.